What is the most reliable free reverse phone lookup service provided by Google?
Hello there. We're here to dive into a very popular and useful digital tool, Google's free reverse phone lookup service. If you've received a call from a number you don't recognize, or you found a number scribbled down somewhere and you're wondering who it belongs to, Google's service can help you identify it. Let's break it down.
What is Google's free reverse phone lookup?
Simply put, Google's reverse phone lookup is a tool that you can use to find information about a phone number that you have but don't know whom it belongs to. Just like you use Google to search for information about a particular topic, you can use this service to search for information related to a specific phone number.
How reliable is Google's free reverse phone lookup?
It's important to note that the effectiveness of Google's free reverse phone lookup can vary greatly. The reason is that Google primarily finds the number's details by searching the web, just like it does for any other type of information. This means that if the phone number has been listed publicly online somewhere, like on a company's website or a public profile, then Google can find and display that information. However, if the phone number is private and hasn't been listed publicly online, then Google won't be able to provide much information about it. Therefore, it's a good starting point, but it's not always 100% reliable, as it's dependent on the phone number's online presence.
How do you use Google's free reverse phone lookup?
Using Google's service is very straightforward. Here's a quick guide. 1. Open google.com on your web browser. 2. In the search bar, enter the phone number that you're curious about. Be sure to include the area code and try different formats. For example, 123-456-7890, 123-456-7890, 1,234,567,890 to increase your chances of finding results. 3. Press enter to search, and then browse through the results to see if you can find any useful information about the phone number. Remember, the results will depend on whether or not the phone number has been listed publicly on the internet. And that's it. While Google's free reverse phone lookup service isn't foolproof, it's a handy tool to have in your arsenal when you're trying to find information about an unknown phone number. The simplicity and ease of use are its major strengths. Hope this information helps you in uncovering the mysteries of unknown numbers. Until next time, stay safe and keep exploring the digital world.